Artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the field of medicine, offering new ways to diagnose and treat patients, as well as improve the overall efficiency and effectiveness of healthcare systems. Here are a few specific ways in which AI is already being used in medicine and how it is expected to impact the field in the future.
One of the most exciting applications of AI in medicine is its ability to assist in the diagnosis and treatment planning process. AI algorithms can quickly analyze large amounts of medical data, including patient records, imaging studies, and lab results, to identify patterns and make predictions about a patient's condition. This can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and develop more effective treatment plans. For example, AI-powered imaging tools can help radiologists identify early signs of diseases such as cancer and heart disease in medical images.
AI is also being used to accelerate the drug discovery and development process. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from chemical compounds, biological systems, and clinical trials to identify potential new drugs and predict their effectiveness. This can help pharmaceutical companies bring new drugs to market faster and at a lower cost. In addition, AI can be used to personalize medicine by identifying the specific genetic and molecular profiles of individual patients that make them more or less likely to respond to a particular drug. Robotic surgery is another area where AI is having a major impact. Robotic surgical systems can be programmed to perform precise movements and procedures, and they can be controlled by surgeons remotely. This can enable doctors to perform complex surgeries with greater precision and accuracy, leading to better outcomes for patients. AI-powered surgical robots can also be programmed to adapt to a patient's unique anatomy, allowing for more personalized care. This can be particularly useful in minimally invasive procedures, where the robot can navigate through narrow spaces to reach the site. AI has the potential to transform the field of medicine in many ways, and it is already being used to improve diagnosis, treatment planning, drug discovery, robotic surgery, and telemedicine. As the technology continues to evolve and become more widely adopted, it is likely that we will see even more applications of AI in medicine in the future. However, it's important to note that AI is not a replacement for human doctors and healthcare professionals, but rather a tool to help them work more efficiently and effectively. You can subscribe and like for more.